Welcome to Product Critique, where we bring you the best gadgets and tech from around the world. Today, we're taking a look at the IKEA 203.033.17 Trådfri remote control, the best gateway to your smart lighting system. If you're looking to control your Trådfri smart lights with ease, this remote control is a must-have. It allows you to control up to 10 Trådfri bulbs at once, meaning no more walking around the room to adjust each individual light. Whether you want to dim the lights, switch them on or off, or change their color temperature, this remote does it all. The ease of switching between warm and cold light, all with just a click of a button, is incredibly convenient. One of the standout features of the Trådfri remote control is that no programming is required. Simply pop in a battery and you're good to go. Its ergonomic design makes it comfortable to hold, and it works seamlessly with the Trådfri bulbs, offering a smooth and intuitive experience. If you want to control multiple groups of lights, you can use the Tradfri Gateway and app to organize them and adjust their settings in a variety of ways. The remote is equipped with a magnet, allowing you to attach it easily to a wall bracket, making it convenient to access at all times. The Trådfri remote runs on a County Route 2 battery, which is included in the package, and it's made with high-quality plastic to ensure durability. It's designed for those who want the benefits of smart lighting without the need for complicated installations. The best part? You can add up to 10 bulbs at once, giving you complete control over your lighting setup. Overall, the IKEA 203.033.17 Trådfri remote control is the perfect addition to any home looking to upgrade their lighting system. It's simple, effective, and offers a great balance of quality and functionality. If you're looking for an easy way to manage your smart lights, this remote is definitely worth considering. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more in-depth reviews on the latest products.